Welcome to creative writing. Turn your ideas into powerful stories. You can make anything by writing. Every story matters. Core elements of a story. Theme, the underlying message or why of your story, woven subtly into the narrative. Characters, believable protagonists with redeemable flaws, and formidable antagonists with plausible motives for a strong character arc. Setting, use it as seasoning, not the main course. Layer it into the action. Point of view, typically one perspective character per scene to ground the reader. Plot and conflict, the sequence of events driven by conflict, the engine of the story. Resolution, a satisfying conclusion that ties up loose ends and honors the reader's investment. 14 popular forms of creative writing include novels, novellas, short stories, narrative nonfiction, poetry, song lyrics, speeches, blogging, journaling, screenwriting, playwriting, essays, writing for media, and letters and emails. Tips for novelists. Structure. Whether outliner or pantser, your story needs structure. Plunge characters into increasing trouble. Research. Use for authenticity, but just enough for a believable world. Starting, begin in media res, in the midst of things to grab the reader immediately. Don't start like this. John was born in a small town. He had an ordinary childhood. Start like this. The car skidded on the wet road. John's heart pounded as headlights closed in. Hook the reader from the very first line. Final advice, be prepared. Always record ideas. Inspiration can strike any time. Start small with essays or blog posts before a full book. Keep perfectionism in its place during drafting. Write today, improve daily. Tell stories that leave a lasting impact. Write your world, inspire others.